Okay, so yeah, in this video it's very short. I just want to say that I update the backgrounds and yeah, and strongly recommend that you try out AI generations and combine that with your design because for indie dev, you can't possibly handle all of the things. You have to, outsource or have a team to do all this. You can't possibly coding and doing art and make everything perfect. And I got a workflow and generate hundreds of thousands of things, tries and get all sort of characters, environments, all that. You guys can play around. It's really fun. You can even got some tiny details. So for example, you got like a potion, something like that. You also do that, and then if you like have some specified things you want to modify, you can like using your spri or whatever software that you're familiar. That's how I got all this. Okay, so if you play this, it's much more decent than my original like scribble. So let me show you. Let me just zoom it in a little bit. Okay, so as you guys can see, the parallax still work. Okay, and look much decent. The tag still works, and the stick, right? You can like go higher even, so you can get the whole picture. Okay, I believe you can. Yeah, that's pretty much what I've been doing, and it looks pretty good. Pretty snappy. I love this, and yeah, I think it's a good time to enter a new chapter by adding enemies. Right now, I think everything is pretty good. If I have like more ideas, I'm going to add this. I got more time to add more skills. I'm going to do it. But right now, I'm going to use this as also this is as a pretty basic placeholder. Okay, and we're going to continue to update this series to make it much more interesting. And so next video, I think from next video we're going to add the enemy, adding combat system, the skill system, the inventory, all that. Yeah, see you next video. And by the way, I strongly recommend that you check out my another channel called Learn Digital Art with all sort of interesting like I draw this manually, I combine that using AI, using AI to explore workflows to just like this manageable. Okay, so yeah, you're more than welcome to check it out. Give me a subscribe, click that subscribe or give me a thumb up. Right, so yeah, see you in the next video. Okay, thanks, bye.